The quick joint sealing system consists of rolls of rubberized asphalt strip materials. When heated, quick joint melts and forms a permanent bond on asphalt or concrete. Quick pave products also enhance safety. There's little or no residue or mess. The preparation work before the product is actually applied is pretty easy and very straightforward. Quick joint comes in rolls of various sizes and are packaged in pails. The product is available in widths of 1, 2, or 4 inches.
So what we're going to do is we're going to get a roll of quick joint, in this case 2-inch, which comes in a 6-gallon pail, and the instructions are on the front along with the cautions not to burn yourself. I found an appropriate crack that I want to seal up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the white liner, place the material down upon the crack, and just roll it out. To the length I want to cover. It's very easy to cut. Use a razor knife, cut the material. You're all familiar with propane and a propane tank. And apply heat directly to the material. What we want to do is we want to burn the top liner off, and once you see the material flow, you stop. You don't want to overheat the material. It will start to burn. And you can see now that the material is non-tracking. You can walk over it, you can drive over it without disturbing the material.